Hey beautiful people, I'm Jess and this is Jess Budgets. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be doing our cash stuffing. Hopefully you enjoy. I went ahead and took out everything that I need to, so I'm just going to clear out my funds and get it ready. So with groceries, I'm going to roll over this $50 into my BJ's account. That way I have money for when we go. We go about once a month and we recently went, so I know that the account is kind of bare. So I'm going to do that. Oh, I have a marker and I had $7. Now I'm rolling over the 50. So I don't know what day today is, guys. So we're going to leave that blank. And we should have 57, so now we have 50, 5, 6, 7, 57. So doing that. Just in case. So we did that. Then we have some money in spending. We have $20. I'm going to put that to the side, and that's going to my savings challenges. Then in household, I have 10. I think for household and miscellaneous, I'm going to keep a balance of $20. And I'm going to roll over up to $20. Anything over $20, I'm going to put towards my savings challenges. So I think that's a good amount to have in those accounts, just for little things that we need. That come up each month. So I'm gonna do that. So I have 10 in here, so I'm just gonna roll that over. In this one I have 15, so I'm gonna roll that over. So for kids, we have $30 left over. We didn't end up taking the kids out, so I didn't use this money, but we do have an outing this coming weekend, so I'm just going to add that to family, which I am rolling over because I'm going to use this family money when we go out this coming weekend. So I'm just going to add that to that. And then I think that I want to have a base amount for this too. Maybe $50, and anything over would go into savings challenges as well. I have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. So I have 68. I think that I'm going to do what I say and leave 50 in here. 20, 30, 40, 50. And then this money I'm going to roll over. So I'm going to leave the 50 in there, and then put the rest towards the sinking fund. And then that's the BJ's one, so we're good there. So that's set, and I'm gonna put this money, which is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. $38 towards my savings challenges. Alright, so let's get this cash stuffing started. Alright, I have some ugly money, and it is all over the place too. I don't know, guys. Alright guys, so here's the money, and we're going to count it just to make sure it's correct. We have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 350, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400. 405, 410, 411, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So $420. I am definitely going to fix this because this is just atrocious. Give me 1 second. You know what? I think we're not going to use a cash tray today. Let's see. But that's really gonna bother me. I tried. So we're gonna bring our binder, We're going to start off with gas. We're going to do $80 for gas. I'm going to do 20, 40, 60. Then 70, maybe. I could do 5. So I'll do 2 5s. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80. $80, and we're putting that in gas. Next up we have food, and for food we're doing $100. Food, I'm going to do the 50, 70, and then the 10, 80. I mean 100. So I have 50, 70, 90, 100. And do that. So next up we have groceries, and for groceries we're doing 200, so I'm going to use the 100, and then I'm going to do 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 100. I'm going to do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 200. Then we have spending, and we're doing 25 for spending, so I'm going to do a 10. Two 5s, and then 5 1s. Yeah. So we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 there. For household, we're doing 5, but we have 10, so we're gonna do, no, so I'll just get another 5, so that's 15, 5, 10, 15. Then we have miscellaneous. Miscellaneous has 15, 10, 15. I'm going to add a 5, so now it has 20. And I think this is what I want to keep in there going forward, along and that and in household. So we have 20, and then lastly I have kids. Kids is getting $5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to add that to kids. And then family currently has, it should have 50, so 20, 30, 40, 50. And PJs, I rolled over grocery money, so I should have 57. So 50, 5, 6, 7. So 57. And that is it. And that's it. That sums up my cash stuffing for the week. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. If you are new around here, I would love for you to consider becoming a subscriber and joining me in my debt-free journey. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. I really do appreciate you. Hopefully I inspire you to start or continue your debt-free journey, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.